South Korean President Yoon Yeol is now facing a serious threat of impeachment following a controversial decision to declare martial law on Tuesday, which he subsequently lifted just hours later. Now, opposition lawmakers have accused Yoon of breaching his constitutional duties and committing an act akin to treason. This move has sparked widespread criticism and political turmoil, raising concerns over his leadership and the potential fallout for South Korea's political aspect.
South Korea's President Yoon Yeol is facing threats of impeachment after making a controversial move on Tuesday to declare martial law in Asia's fourth largest economy. He said it was needed to protect the country from pro-North Korea forces, but backlash forced him to lift the order by early Wednesday. Opposition lawmakers say Yoon violated his constitutional duty with his attempt to ban political activity and censor the media, calling it treasonous. Parliament is set to vote on an impeachment motion later this week. Let's take a look at what might happen next. South Korea's constitution allows Parliament to bring an impeachment motion against the president if he is believed to have violated the constitution or any law in the performance of official duties. A two-thirds majority vote in the single-chamber parliament is needed for the motion to pass. The Constitutional Court would then conduct a trial to either confirm or reject the impeachment. Opposition lawmakers, including the main Democratic Party and other smaller parties, currently control Parliament. But they are altogether 8 seats short of the 200 needed to impeach the president. Some members of Yoon's own People Power Party have strongly objected to his martial law declaration, though it's not clear if or how many of them support the impeachment. If the motion is passed, the next step is the Constitutional Court trial, and the Prime Minister will step up as acting leader. The court will hear oral arguments from the two sides and has up to 6 months to make a decision. It can confirm the impeachment by a vote of 6 out of 9 justices or reject the motion. The court currently has 3 vacancies and only 6 sitting justices. It may have the power to waive the requirement of 9 justices for an impeachment, but it's not clear that it would do that. If Yoon is impeached or resigns, a presidential election must be held within 60 days. In 2017, the court confirmed then-President Park Geun-hye's impeachment in March over collusion claims, and an election was held that May. She was later tried separately on criminal charges and sent to prison. In the early 2000s, another president was impeached in Parliament over political neutrality complaints, but he returned to the job after the court rejected the motion.